back. Yeah, I got a check in my hand already, but we out here. I got some business stuff going on, so I'm ripping and running around the city right now. These guys are currently finishing up a Range Rover, and we out here in Gainesville in the jungle as usual, you know, with some more of the country. Got Joe over there eating, but you know I gotta get these boys on candid camera. I love them. Hey man, got Mikkel finishing up this Range Rover. They did like a nice little starter detail. I like the interior on this thing, man. So we getting it in out here. Got everything looking right. Yeah. Alright guys, we got the F250 pulled up. I'm not gonna be able to be here because I'm ripping and running around town, like I said, getting some other things done. But I'm gonna show y'all around this F250 and have them hopefully. No, maybe. I don't know. You could, hey, if you just walk around that thing, it's right there. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all around it and maybe have them send some pictures at the end. Cause like I said, I got some important meetings I gotta go to and whatnot. But I'm gonna let y'all see how bad this one is. It's got a lot of mold in it. So y'all can see right here, man. So it's pretty bad. The panels, we don't have to like wipe them too bad, so we can still do like a recommended detail on this, but it's really just the mold, man. The mold is really, really bad. So y'all can see the wheels, whatnot. Hey man, we'll get back with y'all and let y'all see what it's looking like.